as light as porcelain. The nice thing about new bags of clay is it's already wedged, it's already air-free. It just comes from the factory. So if you're just rolling out slabs, all you have to do is cut yourself a nice piece like that. You can see that it's air-free. Right? Be sure to close the bag so that the clay doesn't dry out. But you don't have to wedge it unless you're going to be throwing with it. Since we're just going to be rolling it out, I've got my canvas so it doesn't stick to the table. These are my slab strips. And it's already ready to roll out. So it's going to be so much easier to do this work with. Now this is the template that I'm working with, so I just need to get my slab at least big enough to be able to roll that out. So be sure to roll it a little bit this way, but also a little bit this way. All right, of course the best tool for cutting out clay is your fettling knife.
Why does it have the little indents? Oh, do you fold? Never mind, that was a dumb question.
Yeah, you've already figured it out.
Good job.
Don't you dare clap for me.
We're all friends here. Okay, remember to remove the clay that you don't need. Try not to pick this piece up if you don't have to. And since this is nice fresh clay, put it back in the bag for somebody else to use. All right, so I'm going to fold this up, and sometimes it helps to kind of make a crease, just so you know where to fold. So if you want to do that with your slab strips, you can. I think you can do this. I believe you. All right. Now these pieces are going to fit together on the corner here. Like I said, you could bevel it when you cut it, but this bevels it pretty well too. So if I just take this and bevel it like that, see how I'm shaving a little bit off of that corner? And that's beveling it enough right there. Shave some more off this corner right there. So I'm beveling and scoring at the same time. Ceramics hacks, time saving. That way these are pretty much two 45-degree angles fitting together as a 90-degree angle. So this clay that you're using here is going to fire a little bit lighter than the clay we've been working with. It just has less iron in it, which I thought would be better. When you put things together first, they're never that pretty, right? So you have to spend a little bit of time going back and forming it. And then also when it's leather hard, I'm going to recommend that you take that shaving tool, which is actually a rasp or wood, I think, and shave it down like this. Now before you flip it over, try to get these flat, because this is going to hang on the wall. So you don't want these sticking out, because it'll push against the wall and make it stand out a little bit more. So clean up any of these edges. And then I was going to say to go ahead and blow dry it, because if you flip it over right now, it's going to sink down in the middle, right? Because it's just wet right there. Just creating a support system, but please go ahead and blow dry it for like the full 2 minutes until it's stiff enough. And then you can flip it over. But then, once you flip it over, it's going to be really important to make this look pretty, because that doesn't look pretty, and this doesn't look pretty. You know how I hate the canvas texture on it. It's just not a part of it, right? It shouldn't be a part of it. So, make sure, after you flip it over, that you completely smooth it out. With a tool, or with your sponge. I would probably do these by hand. Corners, and your corners can be perfectly rounded when you're done, or if you want to square them off, you can use a tool to square them off. But next part is you have to have a sketch, I think, of like what you want it to look like, and I want to do some kind of measuring. I'll do this. Okay, so I'm going to measure this far down. And I'm going to drill a hole, and this far down over here, because when we fire it, that's where the thread or wire will go through and allow you to hang on.